Sing that shit. Shit.
Start.
Good evening to all of you. And as you all know that today we have gathered for the group discussion, and the topic for today's discussion is advantages and disadvantages of social media. So I would like the conversation to start from Dipto.
अरे, So, thank you so much, Salom, for giving me the chance. Once again, I'm starting the discussion. I have started yesterday also. So thank you so much, and a very good evening to everyone. So the topic is the advantage and disadvantage of social media, right? So social media is somehow connected with the advancement of the technology, right? So there is so many advantages and disadvantages of social media over there. So I'd like to mention the advantages firstly. So if a businessman, right, if there is any businessman and he wants to promote his business materials, so he can promote it by social media, and he can engage a lots of people. He can get growth by that, right? And he can post some good things, some good poetries or some good videos, some good entertainment videos also. So so these are the mostly good things whatever I can think right now, and these are advantages are like uh, the people sometimes people use slang on the social media, and they post wrong videos, wrong some whatever, some religious content, and which is not good for
Explicit content?
Absolutely, Dipto.
some,
Yeah, it's called explicit content.
yeah, actually. So some religious content, whatever you say, so those things are not good for our environment. So I think these are some advantages and disadvantages of social media. So over to
Thank you,
you,
Dipto,
Premji.
for sharing your opinion with us. Moving forward with the conversation, I would like Mr. Saeed Abu Sufyan to say a few words on the same topic.
Thanks to Mr. Rishabh. A very big good evening to all. And thanks to Rishabh Shalom again for giving me this opportunity. There are advantages and disadvantages in each and everything, most of the things actually. So social media can be a useful tool for every person, like businessman, bringing advantages such as like engaging with your audience and um, boosting website trafficking. However, there can also be disadvantages, including including the resources required and negative feedback also. Like there are disadvantages like lacks of emotional connection, gives people silence to be hurtful also, like diminishes understanding and thoughtfulness, and etc. And the benefit, and there are many advantages of social media, like networking services can help young people to develop their mind, their interest, and find other people who share the same interest. Also, they can help introduce young people to new things and ideas, and deepen appreciation of existing interests.
Yes,
And
sure. I get
that's
to
all.
understand your points. Your points are so valid, and it's really interesting. So,
And that's all.
see,
That's all I
if it is
I can
a
share.
group discussion, so I want to also promote both advantages and disadvantages also. If it is a debate, then I would select one side and go on to the topic. Firstly, start with advantages. See,
Okay.
social media has really helped. Just Deepto has started off that it helps businesses. It helps businesses to grow. It helps businesses to promote their things, to promote their product. So what happened is that I want to tell that some of the these advantages of social media. First and the foremost thing, it helps businesses to grow. It helps businesses to promote their brand, and it also helps businesses to got sales from that. Just for example, just like Amazon, you sell product over there, you can become a seller. Just like any other online selling platform, online selling e-commerce platform, it helps everyone to grow. Then it helps also students to grow. Just like example, just Byju's, an academy, there is lots of content in YouTube. If at nowadays, if you have confusion in any of the single topic, you can search on YouTube and got the exact answer from there. So it helps students also to grow and grow fast actually. And it helps everyone. The whole ecosystem got benefited. If you are making a video, someone is watching and someone is seeing your video, and someone is actually getting benefited from that video. You also can share your own knowledge. You can suppose you have learned something and you want to share, you share it on the YouTube. From that way you can build a group of audience which can help you out in future. So it helps everyone to grow. But there are some disadvantages also. If there are advantages, there are disadvantages. The first and the foremost thing, the disadvantages is that there are good stuff, there are bad stuff. Students now need to select what they wanted to see. Okay, you can take the example of porn and other videos like that. Then the social security of the social crime has also got increased. People started making fake profiles. People started to get lots of bad thing. People started doing lots of bad thing over social media. Third and the foremost important thing, if there are businesses, if there are payment gateways, there are also fraud. In nowadays, we can get to see that, you can get to hear from others that their bank account has gone, every money, all of the money has got deducted from their account. All the frauds has been done. So there are advantages and there are disadvantages. So we need to select what we want it to be. And first and the foremost thing over here I want to add is that we need to be we need to see things not like that everything in the social media are good. There's must be bad thing, there must be good stuff. So we need to judge everything positively as well as negatively. That's what I want to add. If anyone want to add something, please.
Exactly, Pranjit, you were right. I would like to say something now. First of all, good evening, everyone present over here. So the topic is that advantages and disadvantages of social media. Well, as Premjit also said that everything has an advantage and a disadvantage. So talking about the advantage, what I feel about social media is that social media helps people to get connected. I feel that's one of the biggest advantage of social media because many people, it's not only just that we five people are there, we only five people are socially connected. There are so many people. For example, there might be some friends of Prinjit that might get connected to me. There might be some friends of Shalom that might get connected to me. So a lot of connection happens through social media, I feel. And talking about all the businesses, talking about all the organizations, they help build a community of people because through social media only a lot of communities are built, and from a lot of community a lot of people get interested with the same kind of thing and they follow this thing. So social media definitely has a positive way also because so many people come together, sharing the same interest, sharing the same goals of what other people also are. But as Prejit also said that there might be some, because in every advantage there has to be a disadvantage also. So talking about the disadvantage, as my friend told that there are so many cybercrime activities that are engaging more and people are getting into all these fraud activities. People are like there are so many monetary fraud things happening where your bank account is getting debited with all these fraud activities. Many people are losing their money through such things. I feel that another disadvantage what social media does is that social media creates such a memory into all of us that we people slowly slowly and steadily we start getting separated from each other. We people are only connected to online platforms. Now, I'm not taking this COVID as an example because COVID is definitely a situation where the people cannot meet. But there have been several instances where people, before the COVID also, there are some people who are only socially connected via an online platform, but in an offline manner, we never like meet each other. It's like just तू मेरा दोस्त सिर्फ फेसबुक में है, that's it for us. It's not the same thing because before this social media things were invented, people used to meet each other. People used to, spread some words with each other. But after this social media has came into our life has totally been changed. We people are only focusing on online stuff only. We people have forgotten what this real friendship, this real love, this real emotions totally mean because everything is now artificial. Everything has now become artificial only. We are showing our impressions also, we are showing our emotions also in an artificial manner. So I feel these are the advantages and disadvantages of social media.
Thank you, Rishabh, so much for your opinion, for sharing your opinion with us regarding the advantages and disadvantages of social media. And I hope that your opinion will surely help out a lot of people who are attending this meeting. And moving forward, I would like Mr. Suprakash to say a few words regarding the same and share his opinion with us for a better understanding of the topic for the day.
Suprakash,
Mr. Suprakash?
add something,
Yes,
Suprakash.
Okay, thank you.
Suprakash Saha.
Thank you,
Suprakash
Shalom.
Saha.
Yeah, Mr. Suprakash Saha, please share your opinion with us.
Okay, first of all, good evening, everyone. Social media is the most important thing we know for the people, and I think there are some advantage or disadvantage is in social media. So I think আমাদের সোশ্যাল মিডিয়াতে যখন আমরা কোনো কিছু শেয়ার করি তখন সেটা খুব ফ্রিলি আমরা শেয়ার করতে পারি, কিন্তু সেখানে শেয়ার করার মাধ্যমে অনেক সময় আমরা দেখি যে সেগুলো অনেক সময় বা ফ্রডের কারণে অনেক সময় লিক হয়ে যায়। তো এটা আমি মনে করি একদিক দিয়ে ডিসঅ্যাডভান্টেজ। সোশ্যাল মিডিয়া সবার জন্য আমাদের খুব জরুরি, আজকালকার মানে এখনকার যেই সময়কাল পড়েছে সেগুলোর জন্য সোশ্যাল মিডিয়া খুব একটা মানে অনেক ইম্পর্টেন্ট একটা জিনিস। আর এই সোশ্যাল মিডিয়ার কারণে আমরা মানে এখানকার খবর ওখানকার খবর মানে খুব সহজে জানতে পারি। এটা যেরকম ভালো দিক আছে, খারাপ দিকও আছে। খারাপ দিক বলতে বলবো যে আমরা শুনেছি অনেকে যে ডার্ক ওয়েব নামে অনেক কিছু আছে, যেটা সোশ্যাল মিডিয়াতে না আসলেও নেটের জগতে অনেক সময় ডার্ক ওয়েবটা খুব বড় একটা অংশ নিয়ে আছে আর কি ডার্ক ওয়েব। তো এই ডার্ক ওয়েবের কারণে অনেক সময় মানে অনেকের যে খুব মানে অনেক বড় কিছু প্রবলেম ফেস করতে হয়। দেন অনেক সময় অনেকের অ্যাকাউন্ট বা ব্যাংক অ্যাকাউন্ট বা যে কোনো কিছু অনেক সময় হ্যাক হয়ে যায়। তো এগুলো হচ্ছে যে সোশ্যাল মিডিয়ার একটা ডিসঅ্যাডভান্টেজ। আর অ্যাডভান্টেজের মধ্যে ভালো দিকটা যদি মানুষ এখন যদি ভালো দিকটা বেছে নেয় তাহলে হয়তো আমি মনে করবো যে সবার জন্য ভালো, মানুষের জন্য ভালো, মানে খুব ভালো আর কি, যদি
Absolutely,
মানুষ যদি
Suprakash.
সেই ভালো জিনিস।
You have contributed the most relevant point. Shalom, please add something because we have less of time. I got a notification from Zoom that we have less than 8 minutes. So we have to end the meeting in 8 minutes. So if you want to add something, please, Shalom.
Winding up quickly on the topic for the day, I would like to say that like everything in this world, even social media has its social media is like a coin, and like a coin, it also has two sides. One is the positive side and one is the negative side. So it actually depends upon the user how he or she wants to use the social media. And at the same time, if social media is responsible for wasting our time, for example, if we are dedicated to complete a certain assignment which requires me to use one of the devices through which I can have access to the internet, and then I come across a very attractive article and then I waste half an hour reading it, then I realize that I have to go and do a specific work, so I get back to the work wasting half an hour. So similarly, the main thing, like we can't say that social media is not good in in a specific way. Actually, no thing in this world has a positive or a negative side. It is only the aspect of the human, the way the human is able to use that particular resource. For example, like my friend Suprakash told just now, that dark web consists of a major part of the internet. So what I feel that internet and social media are two different places for us to work in. Internet is like an organizational structure. There are thousands and millions of people working on one specific thing to keep it updated. That is the internet. And in social media, it is basically all about communicating with one another, be it a friendly relationship or be it any professionalism. Like for example, all of us who are attending the Zoom meeting right now, we are in social media because we're communicating with each other and we are utilizing the resources to develop ourselves. So right now, without wasting time, we are utilizing it in meetings. So we are using social media in a positive way right now. So and social media, it is not just social media, all right. It has several functions. For example, a living organism is composed of cells. Cells are the basic building units of a living organism. So similarly, there are small building blocks of social media, which we humans are totally responsible of controlling. For example, if I take Instagram or WhatsApp, there are a lot of reviews and ideologies that Instagram and WhatsApp are majorly responsible for wasting the time of people of our generation, the young generation. But that's not true, because if I use my Instagram correctly to direct myself in the way I want to achieve my goal from, then I will certainly do it. And just there are similarly, as there are bad pages on Instagram, there are several good pages, several technical pages from which you can learn a lot. So it basically depends upon the user how he or she wants to utilize his or her time. And I won't say that social media doesn't have any phones. Surely it does, because
Shalom, your voice is breaking.
my conclusion on the yes.
Yes. Please
Yeah,
continue.
that is yes. So that is my major opinion on the pros
Absolutely,
and cons of
Shalom.
social media. And I
Absolutely.
would like, yes, and yeah, that is all.
See, you have added the app which is called Instagram. I have seen for the businesses to grow, Instagram is a good platform. I've seen
Yes,
that
of course.
there are
Yes,
many
because see,
pages, there are many photogenic or food pages, food blogging pages who are actually growing from Instagram. That's the thing. And the most
it's a,
important thing is the
yeah,
authentic content. The contents are real. Even celebrities have
yeah.
Instagram account which are real, which holds the real value, and they are actually using those account. We actually got benefited from that. See, Shalom, we have less than 3 minutes, so we can start concluding. So conclude with you. Start with
Okay.
you.
Yeah, surely.
Yes, please, Shalom. Please
Okay, so
conclude.
my conclusion to today's topic is that yes. So my conclusion for the day is, as you told, that Instagram is a huge manifestation of proper genuine brands. So any social media that offers you such lucrative offerings doesn't necessarily mean that the company has to be genuine or stuff like that, because there are so many brands that are coming up just because they have the proper style implementation, but doesn't necessarily mean that the product is good. So not everything that shines is gold, and we as responsible, knowledgeable users of the social media need to decide it according to us. That
Absolutely,
is my
absolutely.
conclusion.
Shalom, over here, I want to conclude is that everything has the advantage and disadvantages. It depends on us what we want to select. The most important point. It depends on us what we want to select. So
Yeah.
that's what I want to add. So Rishabh, conclude with you. We have less than 2 minutes. Please.
Yeah, sure. I'll conclude it in a short while. See, the thing is that as a for also that you also told the same thing, that everything has an advantage and disadvantage. As Shalom also told the same thing. I just want to agree with the point only that what the user wants to do, totally depends upon him or her. If the user takes this social media in a positive way, definitely there would be no problem. But if a user has this kind of mentality that I want to take this social media in a wrong way, there would be wrong things happening. So at last, I just want to say that it totally depends upon what the user wants. If all the users would have the same mentality that we want to take social media in a positive way, there will be no harm only. So that's all that I want to say.
So, Deepto, please conclude.
So I want to say that that everyone knows, as we know, that social media has advantages and disadvantages. So for growth, for business growth, and for some other good things, we can use social media, and there are some various disadvantages also. So like money laundering, as Rishabh mentioned. So what I think, we have to use the social media in a good way to get positive vibes and to make the world better. So if we all use social media in a good way, then social media can be very grateful
Okay,
thing for
thank you,
us.
Deepto. Thank you.
Yeah.
Please show you if you want to add. We have 1 minute.
No, finally, I have to say that it depends on the user actually.
Absolutely,
What the
absolutely.
user needs.
That's what we all have concluded.
Using is good, very good,
Prakash,
but misusing is very bad. You have, or the user
Okay,
have
okay,
that
Shoyat, sorry to interrupt you. We have less than 1 minute, so we
Okay.
can end.
Yes.
So,
Okay, that's all. That's all from my side.
so viewers who are watching our video, please subscribe, please share, and please comment us what we have actually done. Yes, Shalom, if you want to add. We have to stop
Yeah,
recording
Premjit,
now.
Suprakash's conclusion.
See, we have less than 1 minute.
Slave.
Okay,
Okay, no
finish it.
problem.
Okay, sorry, Shubh Prakash, for that, because
No,
I have
it's
to
okay, it's
upgrade
okay.
that.
Share
Okay,
with
no
your
problem,
client.
guys.
It's okay, it's
Share, like, subscribe, comment, guys. Okay, bye, guys.
Okay, bye.